So you want to send a private message or chat with a contact on Facebook, but you are unable. The fact is, if you're not seeing this chat option here on Facebook, you will not be able to send someone a private message or chat with them privately. So to do so, to get started with chatting, you need to have a Facebook Messenger, and it can be shown here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see now these are the people who can contact me, and I can as well chat with them. How do you get this Facebook Messenger? It is pretty much simple. If you already have a Facebook app, just go ahead and download and install Messenger app, which is this, from your Google Play Store. So just go to Play Store here and then tap on it. And from here, tap on search and then search for Messenger. And here we go. Now the Messenger app is here. If you go ahead and tap on it, you'll see an option to install here. So mine is already installed. So you just go ahead and install it and make sure it is from Meta. You can see it is from Meta platform. So once you have installed Messenger app, you can go ahead and open it directly from here, and it will take you direct to your Facebook account and then link it direct. Alternatively, if you just have installed this, you can still go to your Facebook app. And once you go to your Facebook app, you will see the Messenger icon on top here. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, look for any contact that you want to inbox or to chat with using the search button here. And then just search the name. And once you search the name and tap on it, you'll be able to message them here by tapping on message. And then go ahead and enter your message just like that. And to send the message or to send the chat, just tap on this send icon here, and they'll receive the message directly. As you can see, this chat has been sent and it has been confirmed as having been sent. Once they receive the message, they'll be able to make a reply, upon which you'll receive a notification and then go read it and respond to it. From here, you can also see the last time this person or this contact or your friend was online. As you can see, this contact was online 21 minutes ago. So that's how you start messaging your friends on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.